Hello, everybody. If you are working in relational databases and you are interested in the MySQL installation, so this guide can help you that how you can set up MySQL on your Mac or Linux environment. So for Mac, you don't have a full installer that have both the uh, MySQL server and the Workbench. As we saw in the window installation, there is a full package here. A full package is not available, and you have to download the community, the MySQL server from this link, and its Workbench. You mean the interface, graphical user interface from this link, and also when you are downloading the server, so you have to check your processor architecture. If it is silicon, you have to select the ARM, and if you are Intel Mac, you need to select this one. So let's see that following this link how we can go and find the installation for this one. So here we can see that this from this operating system selection, you can select the Mac, and in Mac you can find all these Mac for ARM or Mac for x86. So this is for Intel installation, Intel processor, and this is for ARM processor. You have to download this. When you download this server, then you have to start the installation. When you download this one, so this will be .dmg file that you can see here. Yes, DMG. Yeah. So you have to download this. Once you download it, then start the installation process, provide your password, and enable automatic startup. So when you it will be automatically get startup. Once you do this, then you have to separately install the Workbench, the graphical user interface for this one from this link, and here you have to select the Mac, and from Mac again, based on your architecture ARM or x86, you can download the Workbench, the graphical user interface. And then as we already discussed that how you could verify that where this installation has been successful or not. So we already discussed the verification process. uh, Here you can see we already talked about this one. So you need to check it with the MySQL hyphen version, and if it returns you from the terminal, you can apply this command from the terminal. And if you receive this is a response of this command, it means this is installed. And again, for Workbench, you can use this procedure that we have already discussed in window installation. It's same for verification in all the platforms, so you can watch that video. And if you are having Linux as a platform, so for Linux, either Ubuntu or Debian or any other version, you have to download it from this link. For example, you have to follow here, and from here you can get Ubuntu Linux or Debian or any other Linux generic, whichever you are using. So you can get it from here. And once you download this link, so you have to use the super user do command for updating the repository, and then installation of the MySQL server, and then its configuration using this command. And for the Workbench installation, super user do apt install MySQL hyphen Workbench. So this will install the Workbench, and this command will install the database engine, mean the server, and then you can test again using these procedure that we have already talked about in Windows installation, that whether this is successfully installed or not, and then you can start working on that. So next we will be describing that how we can use MySQL for database creation and querying, data analysis, and different operation. You can follow those from the future tutorial. Thank you.